here in motherfucking Bali on the beach. Just did a quick 6-minute run to the beach, followed by 300 workout, aka bodyweight workout, aka 10-minute workout, aka travel workout that you've seen me do so many times on Instagram. And I've done a couple of videos on YouTube about this. But here's the announcement. The time has finally come. The 300 travel workout tribe is coming. April is coming up. So what better time to do a 90-day challenge through April, May, June. That way everyone is fit as balls going into summer. So it's coming. Stay tuned to my Instagram for more details on it. But it is a fitness course. So I have tons of videos, workout videos that you can do anywhere. Literally all you need is a floor. It's been my go-to maintaining workout for the past whole digital nomad career, and actually started even before that during the football days. But it's a body weight workout. That's the core of it. But essentially it is, everyone sets their 90-day fitness goals. At the core of that is how many times you want to work out per week. Okay, and it's a big shared group calendar with check boxes every day. So everyone can see whether you tick the fucking box, you did your workout for that day and for that week. Did you hit your 4 days a week or your 5 days or 6 days or whatever you want? And so it's an accountability group. It's a course. It's also a fitness mastermind. Everyone shares their tips, tricks, best practices, etc. And then also diet is a huge part of that. Everyone shares their diet tips. So it's a mastermind around getting fit for the summer as well. Of course, it's not free. If it was free, that wouldn't work. Wouldn't work for me and wouldn't work for you, because people that sign up for free shit, they don't take action. I signed up for a little fitness shredding program like a couple months back. And honestly, one of the main reasons was I just needed an excuse to put my money somewhere. I just needed an excuse to put my money where my mouth is and have that financial commitment and mental commitment to okay, this next 30 days I'm going to focus on my fitness. And so that's essentially what this is. It's a 90-day challenge. Of course, it's not going to be free. It's going to be less than the price of a Starbucks coffee per day. So yeah, that's going to be starting beginning of April. And I'm also putting it out there, looking for someone to potentially partner with this, help me run it, help me do it. So putting that out there, all you fitness heads, if you think this is a good idea. Fitness 90-day challenge, mastermind, accountability group. Hit me up on Instagram. See you guys there, and see you guys out here in Bali this weekend for the Bali Mastermind Party too. Yeah, peace.